In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your OneDrive recycle bin in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your digital storage or you need to clear some space in your OneDrive, this guide will help you efficiently and securely delete those unwanted files from your recycle bin. First off, let's navigate to the Microsoft homepage. You can do this by simply typing Microsoft into your favorite web browser or by clicking on any Microsoft related link you have handy. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to access your Microsoft account. To do so, you'll notice a sign in option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will begin the sign in process. Entering your email address is your gateway to access all things Microsoft. If you've used services like Office, Outlook, or OneDrive in the past, you'll have an email associated with those services. Type that email into the field provided. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next. This is a standard part of the login process, designed to confirm the email address before you enter your password. Speaking of passwords, security is a key component of keeping your digital life safe. You'll be asked to enter your password in the next step. Take your time to make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary login attempts that could lock you out of your account. After you've successfully entered your password, you'll need to click Next once again to proceed. Microsoft might occasionally ask if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes might be convenient for you. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, you might want to skip this for security reasons. Now here comes the fun part. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to all things Microsoft by clicking on All Microsoft. This option will take you to a page that showcases all of Microsoft's products and services. From here you'll want to find OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage solution, and click on it. This is where you store, share, and access your files from any device anywhere. At this point you'll again be prompted to sign in. This might seem repetitive, but it's another layer of security for your digital files. Go ahead and click Sign In once more, and you'll be directed to your OneDrive homepage. Within your OneDrive, look for a sidebar or a menu option named Home to ensure you're at the starting point. From here you're going to navigate to a very important area, the recycle bin. The recycle bin is where your deleted files temporarily live until you decide to bring them back or remove them permanently. Click on the recycle bin to see a list of the files you've deleted. If you want to empty the recycle bin, you'll first click on All Files to select everything in there. Take a moment to ensure that there's nothing you want to keep. Once you've confirmed that you're ready to delete these files forever, look for the Delete option. This action requires a final step to permanently delete these files. This is your last chance to change your mind, as this action is irreversible. Once you click Permanently Delete, you'll have successfully emptied your OneDrive recycle bin. This action not only helps in decluttering your digital space, but also ensures that your OneDrive has more available space for new files and documents. A few tips before we conclude. Always make sure you've got a backup of important files before deleting anything, while the recycle bin acts as a safety net. Permanently deleting files means they're gone for good. And there you have it, a clean, decluttered OneDrive recycle bin, all done in about 5 minutes. This process is not only simple, but it also ensures that your digital space is exactly how you want it, organized and efficient. Thanks for following along with this guide. Whether you're doing a bit of digital spring cleaning or preparing for a new project, knowing how to manage your storage space is invaluable. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.